Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. We've got this month's top box. I'm so excited. Well, yeah, I'm so excited. Top box is usually hit or miss. If you don't know what top box is, it's a monthly beauty subscription here in Canada. Pay about $12. And it's sometimes good products, sometimes ones we really don't like. But that's okay. I still get excited about seeing what's in this month's box. Ooh! We also got this one. It is $25. It's products from, I believe, last year, like repeats and stuff. It's a mixery box. I think it's 10 items. But I will do this video after. We'll just do the top box right now. Okay, so this is what top box looks like. Yeah, like I said, it's hit or miss. It's sometimes we love it, sometimes we hate it. Oh, and every other month too, there's a beauty surprise. Not this month, but next month I will have a beauty surprise. I can't wait for that. We pay an extra $10 for that. Sometimes it's a good product, sometimes it's not. Like I said, everything with this box is hit or miss. I did get the spoilers email. It looked okay. Nothing like, you know, screaming exciting. But this is what it looks like when I open it. And the first product I see is the Purlisse. Hopefully I say that right. I'm sorry if I butcher it. Coconut oil plus coffee Silky body butter. Is this. And let's open it. I want to smell it. Okay, all open. And then I got it everywhere. It squirted everywhere. That was an interesting story. Anyway, I like Purlisse. I like the brand. I did not know that they made body butters though. So, I'm not sad about that. Ow, I just pulled my own hair. It smells good. I can smell more coffee than I can the coconut. Feels good. It does have coconut oil. So it's taking a little bit, I'm sorry, I was looking at the bottle. It is taking a little bit to soak in? What are the words I'm looking for? Soak into your skin. But I mean, if it moisturizes, that's all that really matters to me. All right, moving on, we've got, oh, I'm really excited about this. This is a hand sanitizer from Kayla. I want to say it's Kayla brand. I've gotten stuff from her from this brand before, and it's good products. I don't complain about this product. And I mean, right now, with everything going on, hand sanitizer is definitely a good thing to have. And this also says it has hyaluronic acid to prevent dry skin. This isn't quite soaked in, so I'm just gonna wipe it off. Let's test it. I have one in my truck right now. Okay, hold on. I need tweezers. Okay, I have one, like I was saying, I have one in my truck right now, and it absolutely stinks. It makes me want to throw up every time I put it on. Sorry. I'm trying to get this open. I'm having like some serious issues here. Hate these little tabs. They always make it so difficult. Like I appreciate them because it seals the product, but they are such a pain to get off. Okay. I'm putting it right up against my nose. I don't smell anything so far. And I got it on my lip. Yep. I didn't want to eat it today. Oh, gross. It's bunched up. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, it's bunched up the hand cream. Oh, that actually smells really good. That is going to be coming with me everywhere. It's got like a, I think that's a peppermint or spearmint smell to it, and it's not really strong. And doesn't feel really gross. Oh, that's amazing. I'm so excited for that. Cool. Never complain about hand sanitizer. Next thing I see is in bubble wrap. I like when things are in bubble wrap. Ooh, nail polish from Morgan Taylor. Ooh, it's like a sparkly color. What was it called? Diamonds are my BFF. Really though, I could use some diamonds. I love this color. I don't think I have a sparkly silver, so that's nice. I can't even open it. My hands are still kind of oily. Oh well, anyway, you get the point. I mean, it's a silver sparkle. Let's move on. Okay, the next thing I see, kind of scary. It's Manna Kadar. I don't know why we hate on this product so much, but I mean, it's because it's never any good. I've tried a few of them. But this one, it's supposed to be a lash serum. Lashes appear thicker, shinier, and healthier look to your lashes. Well, they don't test on animals. Sorry, I was reading the back of the box. It doesn't test on animals, which I do like. I don't know. She's just in everywhere and everything. And most of the time I don't like her products. But you know what? It's a lash serum. I haven't tried it, so I will give it a shot. Alright, so that's our 4 items in our box. And then we have a sample. Which I've seen, because I've seen spoilers. I watched other ladies do their box. Interesting. This is a Derma Matrix Collagen Skin Complex. It's got hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, but you drink it. I thought you were supposed to put that kind of stuff on your face. I don't know about drinking it. How does drinking it? Like, well, it says it supports healthy skin, hair, and nails. I don't know. I've never heard of drinking anything. I've never heard of this before, so I'm definitely gonna check out the brand and see what they have to say before I do drink it, because that sounds scary. That was everything in this month's box. Watch out for the, sorry, my door is opening. Watch out for the next one. We're gonna do the mystery box. Thanks so much for watching and have a great evening. Bye.